Welcome back to this new video of TechExpress. Today let's asking a big question. Is Google AI Studio about to revolutionize how we learn software? Could it even spell the death of a traditional tutorial videos? So let's dive into the potential game-changing technology. So generative AI is rapidly evolving, and its potential impact on education and learning is immense. So tools like Google AI Studio, powered by models like Gemini, are now capable of generating code, explaining complex concepts, and potentially offering personalized guidance in a way that traditional tutorials haven't been able to. So how does the Google AI Studio couldn't disrupt tutorials? Here's how this couldn't shake out the world of the software tutorials. I believe that one of the first aspects that I can talk about is the real-time contextual help. So instead of searching through lengthy videos, users could ask AI Studio specific questions related to their current project and get immediate context-aware answers in code snippets. Right? They have the code generation on demand. So needed to perform a specific task into Python, JavaScript, or another language, the AI Studio can generate the code for you in real time, potentially eliminating the need to search for coding tutorials. Then the personalized learning paths. The AI could potentially analyze user skill level and learning style to generate customized learning paths and explanations. These adapt to the pace and the understanding. They do even have starter applications to do much more. For example, instantly turn YouTube videos into fun interactive learning applications using the power of the AI. Gemini 5 relieved the 90s with the AI-powered application. Things with tiny cats, for example, there's map planners, GIF makers, and so much more. So interactive tutorials. Imagine prompting AI Studio to guide you through a specific software process step by step, with the AI generating instructions in code as you go, and answering questions instantly. This is more interactive than the passive video. And we have the faster learning curve. So by providing immediate answers and code examples, the artificial intelligence could significantly shorten the learning curve for new software and programming languages. So why traditional tutorials might still have a place? I think that traditional tutorials that you can find in YouTube, for example, despite the potential of the AI Studio, we have a human connection and expertise. So experienced instructors often provide valuable context, have best practices in real-world insights that might be missing from an AI-generated responses. This is what we are actually doing right now. You're watching this actual video. We are talking about artificial intelligence problems and all of this. And lastly, we have the video demonstrations. There's a well-produced video tutorials can offer clear visual demonstrations of software interfaces and workflows. We can build a community. We are building a community actually. So tutorials like this often build communities around the content that offer support and interaction that AI currently can't replace. And there's a learning theory and pedagogy. There's a learning phase in pedagogy. So good tutorials are often structured with sound pedagogical principles in mind. And there's discovery and serendipity. So users often discover new softwares of techniques by browsing related to videos, and serendipitous learning process that might not be easily replicated by turning an AI curious. So it's more likely that we'll see an evolution of tutorials rather than a complex replacement, because artificial intelligence augmented videos, for example, tutorial creators could use AI tools to generate code examples. We can summarize key points or even generate some topic, for example, let's say ancient Rome. There's the AI-powered search and navigation, for example. There's a personalized recommendations and interactive AI companions. So imagine that an AI assistant that can answer your questions in real time after you watched a tutorial video. So the best way to understand the potential is to experiment yourself. So try using, for example, Google AI Studio to learn a new software concept or get help with a coding problem. See how it compares to your traditional learning methods. And you can figure it out by yourself if the Google AI Studio can replace easily these video tutorial generator. So while the Google AI Studio and similar tools have the potential to significantly change how we learn software, it's unlikely to be an immediate death knell for traditional tutorial videos. So instead, we'd like to see a fascinating evolution where AI and human expertise work together to create a more efficient and personalized learning experience. So, what do you think? Will AI like Google AI Studio replace the software tutorial videos? You can let us know in the comments below. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Express for more insights into the future of tech. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.